So you already know, toes out because the are out. It's hard.
Look at my bitch, she lit. Look at the sauce to drip. Prada, look at the kicks. Sucking my dick, no kiss. Got an outfit, can't afford it. So many swags in my closet. Knots in my pocket, can't fit, they keep falling. Built me my truck, got me parallel parking.
Yo, what is up, vlog? Fix you guys on this really quick so you're not losing a bunch. Alright, there you go. So what's up, guys? Today is a special video. It's going to be a travel vlog slash road trip. It actually is a road trip, day trip to be exact. We're just gonna go down to Charleston, South Carolina. I'll show you where it is really quick. Here you go. So here is the look on the state itself. As you can see, we are in Columbia, and that is Charleston area. So 2 hours as of right now. Pretty sure we'll make up sometime, but yeah, we got about a 2 hour drive. And yeah, today morning when we get there, I gotta run to Walmart to return a light because it didn't work for our Wi-Fi that we have or something like that, man. So let's be that. You know, it's a red light, but it just doesn't work. So yeah, I gotta return that. Man, this is what we dealing with right now. It's a jam. So, how much time we got? You would have thought about this shit from my rank. We got an hour 30. Well, that's the jam. $2 biscuit.
So they trying.
Would you say that's bad?
Huh?
Would you say a $2 biscuit is bad?
I'm pretty sure it don't look like that in real life though, Kyle.
No, I bet it don't.
But, yo, what's up, guys? We are out here. I didn't even introduce like who I was gonna be with. We got Kelvin, Kyle, and Jam. We're out here in Charleston now, or near Charleston. I don't know if I can get the filter for it yet, but we're in the Charleston area for sure. But yeah, we heard it was a party on the way here on the beach. Well, Kelvin actually saw it on Instagram. It was a darty from 2 to 7, you said? Yeah, on a beach. We're just trying to figure out which beach it is. And I looked on Snap Map actually for once to see it was actually in Charleston, and not many people were here. I asked Cassidy and Zoo I used to work with. He's going to see Spider-Man, so I don't know. I just hope the 2 beaches that we might go to are actually the ones that we're supposed to be at with the party. So yeah, I'm getting out of here because I'm low-key on a time crunch, but not really. So yeah, I'm about to go to Selective Hype real quick, so I'll see y'all when I'm there. I'm like 10 minutes out. But yo, we're here in Charleston now. Didn't lock my gun.
You gonna reach?
No, I literally have no range on my keys. It sucks. It's a nice turning. Why wouldn't it jump? There we go. I have no range at all, I swear. But yeah, mates, we're here in Boston, South Carolina. We out here. It's definitely in Columbia, Kyle.
I'm gonna try and get
Definitely. I said this definitely in Columbia.
while I'm down here.
Boy, Kelvin's vlogging.
Yeah.
Boy, what's up with you guys, man? Had no time no see, long time, very no see. But we're going over here to Selective Hype. Hopefully they got something for the boys. And I have my wallet good, so let's go. I have no. There we get all wallets. It's definitely not for him, though. Definitely not. Vicks here.
That's $20.
I would.
That'll fit you.
I would make that shit. there would be no choice.
Perfect condition for one. It's probably limited as crowd. Like, bro, Off-White goes fast sometimes. Look at the Biggie taste, bro. Kyle, you probably. What I tell you about the bear bricks? They're not hard. Come on now, Kelvin, bro. Come on now. I got a little collection going on at home. I'm about to ask him how much these are, though. Off-White shorts. I'm pretty sure none of that's for sale, to be honest.
I'll probably do the Wu-Tang and Biggie.
Huh?
I'll probably do the Wu-Tang and Notorious.
Yeah.
Or I might get the Cap.
Well, Instagram had a little bit of false advertising. I mean, what they have in there is what you see on Instagram and all, but it just looks, the store itself looks way bigger. But yeah, now I think we're just gonna head to the beach, honestly. Unless y'all wanna go somewhere else.
It don't matter to me.
I'm trying to get on the beach. It's just too humid for all this. We gonna get some water, Playboy.
We gotta get a football.
Yeah, I think there's a Walmart. There's a Walmart on the way.
What beach we got?
We officially came to New York.
It's right there.
It is? But we're here at Walmart to get a football. He said he left it, and I gotta buy it this time. He claims, but he might throw it for the boys again. I'm just playing, but I'm gonna get a football this time, and then we're actually going to the beach next. When I come in places, I don't have time to sit there and listen to demonstrations. Bro. Came in for a reason, and I gotta go. But this one was pretty big. It's actually fairly, this junk is huge. Like to get to where we're going? We walked on the wrong side, so.
I mean, our Walmart would have been here.
Yeah, we probably would have been there, to be honest. It's just a big Walmart. That's it. Definitely not in Columbia. Sure, exactly. Well, warm-up session. Alright, we're here for one reason only. You said $5 now. If it's over $5, you gotta pitch it.
That's the ones I was talking about.
That's not, yeah, we need to, they don't have a cage or something like, what, a smaller? Where them basket ones at? This ain't for the field. I don't know if we should go that way, this way. Ryan was like, I'll take that home. He was like, no, I bought that. Found one. I need to change too. I don't know. I gotta figure out where we're parking. I've never been to Isle of Palms, or I have been, but I don't remember it. So I got a lot to figure out. I was in traffic earlier too, messing up everybody. I was getting honked at and all. It felt like I was in New York, and it was my first time driving. I kind of have no choice. Like, I'll just send it, man. I'm keeping it too.
Duh, nobody want that football, boy.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Whenever look at these bags. Them drumstick. I feel the bag. I'm acting like I never been to one. Feel the bag. This gas station is unique as crap, bro. You literally got palm trees to walk under. Like, this Charles is nice, low key. I was like, Kyle, you got our nose? Nah, keep on our nose. That jump was hard. I like that. Alright, so I need to change. Found somewhere to park finally. Yeah, so let me change. Alright, Kelvin, give them a quick look overview at the beach. You gotta hold it up higher. But give them a quick beach look. You guys already know right here. I'm trying to. We in focus?
Alright, there we go.
Alright, so you already know toes out because the are out. And then penny board because we probably got to walk far. I'm not walking. They would have to walk. As Kelvin wants to grab the other skateboard. But
I could.
and yeah, this is
I
big.
guess.
And yeah, that's a bit. Let's go, boys. I'll be honest with y'all, I'm probably 80% sure that I can do this right here, or cut through and park where I'm at. Maybe 50% sure I'm probably not gonna get a ticket. There's a boardwalk right there, but that's for the house, never mind. This is like public. You see how they treat the public and you see how they treat people who actually live here, but I guess this is how it's supposed to be. But yeah. Just giving y'all a quick update. I just told them I didn't put on any sunscreen whatsoever. I don't even have a lotion.
You don't have no lotion on?
I don't wear a lot of lotion unless I'm ashy. I just don't like how it feels on my hands or whatever. But
Yeah, lotion is
it's a necessity. No necessity for y'all.
Yeah,
Dude, where the heck are we?
the beach.
No, I'm talking about like as in distance from the actual pier itself. Like from where to the left. Do you see how long this strip is, bro? That's the pier over there. Wait, oh my gosh.
You can chill here for a bit.
I guess. Like, we got to chill next to some birds.
Yeah.
So scope it out first. We going left or right though? Yeah, that's true. And then I guess we can just follow the street back. My phone will tell me where we park. The Bluetooth wasn't on, so actually it was. It'll tell us. Let's go. We're not gonna have no tent. We're just gonna be baking, boys. Straight bacon. All right, so I told Kyle, I was like, it's not that far because we made progress already. But I don't even know which house we were at, honestly. So we just gonna have to take the road. Because I don't know which house we're next to. We're in front of, so. We have such a far walk. It makes no sense. By the way, you're tucked on the left side. We've got a slacker. I'm officially dead. I just want to sit. But we made it. We made it, Kyle. We made it. And then the boys have finally made it. But I'm definitely gonna relax for a second before I even get in because it's just extremely tired. Extremely tired. I was just telling Kelvin, the water might be low-key cold, bros. I hate the ocean, I hate the ocean, I hate the ocean. I could have brought my phone out here, honestly. Your phone? I think I gotta go back. I don't think I've been this deep in the ocean in a while, bro. Oh, God. Live it up. Ooh. I'm about to swim under one of them joints, I think. Step on it. I'm about to stay in my... I hate the ocean. I hate the ocean. That joint gonna make me die because I said that. Oh my God. It's calm now. I guess I just don't like that. Yeah, but I'm just saying. There's sand everywhere under us. I'm just saying. I don't like that I can't see my feet. I hate that. No, I hate lakes. Alright, vlog. So we are now leaving the beach. Very uncomfortable experiences for me. Current time is 5:40. We're out of here. Gonna grab something to eat. And yeah, I'm about to rinse my feet off there real quick. Your boy's a little sandy. Don't be sandy, boys. Don't be sandy. Oh, that's what I don't walk. It's just something I don't do. No need to walk. What did you want? Exactly. Oh my god. But what was the name of the place?
I don't even remember, bro.
Hold on. I do this, boys. It's, exactly. You're loud in the vlog.
My fault.
Yeah, you're very loud. Watch your mouth. Let's say it's okay. They said it's alright. Yeah. Oh, John. Man, we haven't eaten since this morning. Or eaten. Is it eaten or eaten? What would be the proper word? Yeah, same old. We still, you get the point. We're hungry and we gotta wait 30 minutes. At least that's what she says, so yeah. So, on our 30-minute journey, we haven't come across, where's the skate? Okay. We've come across some birdies. Let me get out of the way. But I'm honestly just bored, so that's why I did this. Y'all got anything to say? Don't say that on the vlog.
He said what?
He said we're too soft to get on the birdies. We're not. Hey, we're not soft now. Kelvin, oh boy. But
You're right now.
no, you won't.
You know I'm built like that.
I'm not gonna lie. Kyle will do it. But me, you know, I don't go up to people. People come up to me. That's fine. Yeah, Cal. He for real might do this, but.
Don't look at it.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. I could care less right now. She's so embarrassing stuff. But yeah, I'm doing me. Kelvin's talking to some birds right now. I'm not gonna show it because that'll just be wrong.
18.
No, you are 18. Go turn it in. I'm 18 too, but Kyle, my hands are full. Barely. Like you don't have one thing. I have a whole camera. Come on now. No, she called me little. Cause she said she was like. That was but yeah, we literally have we ate at. There's basically a little restaurant squeezing between those two. Basically, I guess you'll call them apartments. That junk getting low, bro. What if it hit me in my face? Dad, he not flying that junk, bro. Well, I say, bro, you gotta work that. But we literally have the longest walk back to the Jeep. It's not even fun anymore. That's how far. Exactly. We're nowhere close to half. This is the starting point, basically. I'm not. This is beyond me. It might be dark by the time we get there. This is crazy.
Boulevard, out here in that ocean thing. Shouts out to my ocean gang. I'm swimming in the money. That's why these sharks coming for me. I'm out here swimming in the money. That's why these sharks coming for me. Yeah.
Alright, we finally made it back. I feel Kelvin's ready to go. I am too. But it was a long walk. This probably took us 30 minutes to walk, but we made it.
Okay guys, this is actually the end of the video. I ain't gonna let you see me a little bit. But yo, I hope you did enjoy this one. This was a little bit of the longer vlogs. My travel vlogs are usually a little bit longer. Get more content out of them because of course it's in a new place. It's always something new to record, but my voice sounds like crap right now. But it is currently 1:37 a.m. and I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. Because you know, the boys had a long day, didn't really sleep that long last night, so yeah, I need to relax. But I hope you do enjoy this video, so please give it a like. That would just help with the views, and if you do, just like, don't subscribe with that, man. Don't subscribe. Hopefully I make a lot of new people from this. If not, that sucks. But yeah, share this with a friend or somebody who would like it. And no anything else to say, so without further ado, ciao.
We like to party. See, I'm the man.